Now look left and look up. Now just tell Godot to do that. Godot is very forgetful, so we must tell them absolute precision instead of relative precision. Now I've told Godot the precision to draw in the vertex array. You may ask why we need index array. Because we are reducing the vertices to reduce rank cost. Now we have drawn 0, 1 and 2 to draw a triangle. Let's try 1, 2, 3. And here we are. Why it's not showing up? Because it's in the back. You need to draw in clockwise to show it up. Like, see, this is clockwise and this is counterclockwise. Now I tell Godot to draw in 2, 1, 3. See, it's clockwise now. Now let's try it. See? To stop repeating ourselves, we use triangle straight. See, it still works. For some reason, if you don't want to repeat the index, you just use -1 or 0f with 8f. That's limit of 32 bits number. I tell the Godot to draw left half back. Now it's in counterclockwise direction now. I don't know why it works, but it works whatever it feels like. Now it's 2 left, 1 up, and 1 back. You can see it here. The order was 4, 3, 5. You can just go to 2 left, 1 up, and 0 back. Because you are using index 5, 4, it will flip the face. See, index 6 is 2 left, 1 up. Now we are going to 2 left, 1 back, and then 2 left only. I just realized I can't close the hole. That's the problem with triangle tree. That is, if you make a one warm move, you can't close the hole. You must use index reset. And that costs some memories. Better get the job done than worrying about memory. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 0, 6, 2, 7, 4, 8, 5, 9, 6, 10, 7, 11, 8, 10, 9. Here's the code. I want to make this into description, but someone might watch it offline and they can't see description. So I am making into a picture instead.